Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, fashion, wedding stuff, owning your own business, hauls, try-ons, and I have a super fun and exciting video for you guys today because we're doing a few different hauls and a little try-on. So I got some fun things in the mail and figured I would take you guys along to show you all the different things. So we've got something from Abercrombie, something from Brooklinen, and a makeup thing. So let's get into it. So I got the jelly donut set from TikTok, which is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it is the Benefit High Beam and the benetint. And I did a little bit on my cheeks already, so you guys can kind of see, but what I wanted to do was do a little bit more and kind of show you guys how to do the jelly donut makeup. So that's how we're kicking off the vlog. Let's get into a little makeup tutorial, and then we'll get into unboxings of this amazing big box from Brooklinen, and you guys are not gonna believe this, as well as a fun Abercrombie package. Okay, so for the jelly donut makeup, and I'm like hardly wearing makeup, I put a tiny bit of eyeliner on, feel like alive for this video, but I'm literally not wearing any other makeup except for a tiny bit of these two products already. So the way the girls have been doing it, or at least I've seen on TikTok, what you do, oh, hello Goody. You guys can't see, but the dog is literally, I mean, you can see his little nose right there in the corner of the frame. Okay, you don't wear makeup, honey. He's really interested in what I'm doing. So, you do a little circle on your cheeks of the high beam first. And just like you would think a jelly donut, you literally, you dot the benetint right in the middle, and it will start to go down. But you grab your brush and brush it out. So yeah, it looks cute. It's nothing crazy, but it does add a nice little bit of color, a little bit of glow because of the high beam. And I know that a lot of girls also use the benetint literally, like they will put it on their lips as well for like a little lip stain. So I'm super excited about this. I actually love it. Lip stain is super successful too. Okay, so this is our little makeup tutorial, jelly donut tutorial. I'm super excited that these came in. I was really excited to get them off TikTok Shop. So now that we've done a little makeup, let's get into the Brooklinen. Yeah, let's get into the Brooklinen unboxing. So I put the makeup away. Now let's get into this incredible Brooklinen unboxing. You guys are not gonna believe how big this box is. Actually, it was two boxes. There was this box, and then I'm like literally gonna throw my back out trying to do this, but oh my god. Ah! This huge box of stuff from Brooklinen. My uncle went ham and really spoiled Matt and I for our wedding. He got us literally everything from Brooklinen that was on our registry, that was left on our registry. So I will tell you what those things are. Both Matt and I got bathrobes. I'm so excited. This is Matt's first ever bathrobe, and I have wanted a new bathrobe for a while, so I am so excited about this. So we each got a bathrobe. This is Matt's in a size large. This is mine in a size small. So we've got bathrobes. We have a set of Brooklinen, the classic pillowcases. He got us the Brooklinen core sheet set, the classic. So it is one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So we have
literally 4
now new pillowcases, which is incredible, and this set of sheets. This is all for our king-sized bed. He also got us the white duvet cover. My dad bought us the duvet from our registry, and so this is just beyond. We're so excited. And he also got us all the freaking towels on our registry. So we have 2 sets of the plush white hand towels and 2 sets of the plush white bath towels. We are just like floored by the generosity. I honestly cannot believe that my uncle went so wild to get us all of these things. We're so grateful, you guys. I'm so excited. I love Brooklinen sheets and towels. They are so good, so comfortable. I cannot wait to put this bathrobe on later. I'm telling you. Woo! I cannot wait. So that was our fun Brooklinen unboxing. And we still have one more unboxing to go and a little try on because I got 2 things in from Abercrombie. Super excited for these things because they're 2 new things for me. One of them is nothing exciting or fancy. It's a sweatshirt, but I'm very excited about it. You'll see both items soon. And one is a pair of barrel jeans, because if you haven't seen, barrel jeans are the new thing. They're the pants. All the girls are wearing them. I'm so excited. I'm really hoping that they look good and cute and fit well. So let's get into this Abercrombie unboxing. We're gonna start it off with the win because I know that this sweatshirt is gonna be a win. So I got the Boston Celtics hoodie in a size small. I am very excited about this. If you guys didn't know, my dad is a very big Boston Celtics fan. So in terms of like sports teams affiliations, I was raised as a Boston Celtic fan above any other team. I'm obviously now a Bills fan, but the Celtics are near and dear to my heart. So I wanted to get this sweatshirt for a few reasons. Number one, I love a black crew neck hoodie, sweatpant, doesn't matter. Love me some black. I love this patch. I'm just obsessed. This is like classic Boston Celtics. Absolutely love it. I love like the worn kind of like grayish black of the hoodie. Also, it is so soft. When I tell you this is, it's soft as butter. It's so cozy and comfy. And I love the back. The back is just classic. Nothing too crazy, nothing fancy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's try it on. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. And it fits perfectly. I am so excited. This is a total win. So this is item number 1, and let me try on. Item number 2 are these mid-rise barrel jeans. I'm very nervous. I'm so nervous that these are not gonna fit or look good. But Abercrombie has a great return policy. If they don't work, I'm just gonna return them. I got the medium wash, got them in a short because I'm short. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna go grab, I need to change out of my leggings so that I can try them on. And I don't want to try them on with a sweatshirt. I'll probably honestly just try them on with this sports bra so that I can get like a real sense of how they look. And I need to grab some kind of a sneaker to try them on with, so let me go get those things. Here they are, the barrel jeans. I got them in a 26. They're mid-rise and I got them in the short. I got them also in the medium wash. Let's see how they look. I don't think Matt's gonna like them either way. Oh, I'm so bad at this. I fear they're too big. They're just too large. You know, I thought about getting the 25.
And I should have.
Okay, well, that's a shame because there's just no way for me to know whether I like them when they're this large.
No, you know if I don't like something, I'll say it right away.
They're, hold on, let me drop the camera also.
But like so 90s.
Yeah, they're too big, like they're supposed to be like a mid-rise, which would be like here.
Well, get working on those leg day workouts.
They're like they're real low rise. So
they look great though. I really like them actually.
Okay, so maybe we're gonna exchange them. I think we're gonna exchange them for a size 25 because I do think that they're cute. Like I do like the shape. I really like, so this is the defining feature of the pant, is that the hem goes like this and then it goes out and it has its own kind of like panel down the side. Again, they're called the barrel jean for a reason. They've got this very particular shape, which is really in right now. It's like very, very fashionable. I really wish I got the right size, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna make an exchange for the right size because these are just a little too big. We're gonna see if I can't exchange them for a size smaller. I think they would look a lot cuter if they were like just a tiny bit higher, aka as like mid-rise like they're supposed to. And again, you can kind of just see here, it's like there's all that extra room. So I think they would look really cute if they fit properly. The short is definitely the way for me to go. Like I need to get the short in every version of pant. There's no doubt about that. But yeah, this size at least is a swing and a miss, but the style is not a swing and a miss. So I'm gonna probably exchange them, but let me know what you guys think. If you guys are a fan of Brooklinen, let me know. What do you guys love? What kind of sheets do you guys get from them? Because they have a whole bunch of different styles. We've realized we really like the classic, but I wanna know what you guys like. Do you guys like the jeans? What do you think of the sweatshirt? What do you think of the makeup? Let me know all the things and I will see you guys in the next video.